Hey, what's up guys? This is Chuan here and today I'm in Dali in Yunnan province of China. I'm currently on the rooftop of my guest house and the view here is just gorgeous. Our first video of white guys speaking perfect Mandarin Chinese to random Chinese strangers on the streets has received a lot of attention and hits, so if you haven't seen that video, please click on the link above. I promise you guys, when I'm reunited with my friend Kiko back in Yantai at the end of the month, we will film a new exciting video for you guys. In today's video, I just want to give you guys a couple of tips on how to sound more native in Mandarin Chinese. I believe these tips are suitable for beginner or advanced beginner levels. Alright, here we go. The first tip to sound more native in Mandarin Chinese is to master the tones. As you guys probably know by now, there are 4 tones in Mandarin Chinese. Ma, 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 ma. And these tones are extremely important because the tone can change a word's meaning. For example, ma means mother, ma means bitter, ma means horse, and ma means to scold. So if you don't have a good grasp of the 4 Chinese tones, then native Chinese speakers would have a hard time understanding what you're saying because, as I mentioned before, the tones can change the character's meaning. What I recommend as a beginner Chinese learner is that you focus on the tones. Okay, what I would do is I would recite Chinese phrases every single day, focusing on the tones and make sure you have the tones down correctly. Moreover, I believe you must focus on the tones as a whole. What I mean by this is that you must connect all the tones together in a particular sentence. For example, 今天我去公园去玩. Okay, today I'm going to the park to play. That's what I said in Chinese. But when you're speaking the Chinese phrase, then you must focus on all the tones within the sentence and connect them all together. Okay, that way you sound more fluent, more native. Okay, the second tip I have for you guys to sound more native in Mandarin Chinese is to imitate native Chinese speakers. So if you currently live in China, that's pretty easy because there are native Chinese speakers all around you. And when they speak Chinese, try to imitate what they're saying. However, if you're out of China, if you're in the West, then it's a little bit more difficult. But what you can do is watch Chinese TV shows, Chinese movies, and just imitate what they're saying in these shows or movies. If you practice mimicking native Chinese speakers on a daily basis, that will definitely influence how you speak your own Chinese. Okay, it will definitely influence your intonation, okay, your flow, and even your accent when you speak Mandarin Chinese. For me personally, my accent sort of changes subconsciously when I'm in different regions of China. For example, if I'm in Shandong province or in Beijing, I tend to speak more with a northern accent using Okay, if I'm in the south, then my accent becomes sort of a southern Chinese accent because I'm mimicking native Chinese speakers in these regions subconsciously because that's how I got better in Mandarin Chinese. Alright guys, I hope these 2 tips will be helpful for you guys in the future to sound more native when speaking Mandarin Chinese. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button below. I promise more videos of white guys speaking perfect Mandarin Chinese will come soon. See you guys next time.